In a world where perfection is not an option but a rule, a masterpiece begins its journey. Inside a state-of-the-art industrial factory, far away from noise and distraction, something extraordinary is taking shape. This is not just a car. This is Bugatti La Voiture Noire, reborn in pure white. Every panel you see, every curve, every surface starts as a vision. A vision translated into precision by human intelligence and robotic accuracy working side by side. Here, robots do not replace humans, they empower them. And leading this transformation are skilled engineers, designers, and technicians, with women at the heart of the operation. White carbon fiber components move slowly along the assembly line. Each part is inspected, aligned, and perfected. The chassis, the backbone of this hypercar, is assembled with micrometer precision. Robotic arms hold components steady, while human hands guide, measure, and approve. This is craftsmanship meeting technology. The W16 engine, one of the most powerful engines ever created, is assembled piece by piece. Each bolt tightened with care. Each connection verified twice. This engine is not rushed, because legends are never rushed. As the engine is lowered into the white chassis, the factory pauses. This is a defining moment, where raw engineering becomes a living machine. Inside the cabin, luxury takes form. The interior structure is installed carefully, ensuring strength without compromise. Digital systems awaken.
Displays come alive.
Controls respond. This is not excess. This is precision luxury. Doors are aligned. Panels are mounted. Every gap, every line is measured to perfection. The white body begins to tell its story. Light reflects differently on white. It reveals flaws, which is why perfection is mandatory. Quality control teams move around the vehicle, checking symmetry, balance, and form. This is where machines stop, and human judgment takes over. Wheels are mounted. Suspension is calibrated. Electronics are tested. Every system must speak the same language, perfection. The moment arrives. The engine ignites for the first time. A controlled roar fills the factory, not loud but powerful, a promise of what lies ahead. As final inspections begin, the factory becomes silent again. Every engineer knows what is at stake. Panel alignment is checked one last time. Software systems run diagnostics. Sensors respond perfectly. This white Bugatti is not just assembled, it is verified. Polishing begins. Not to change color, but to reveal truth. Under bright factory lights, the white surface reflects discipline, patience, and mastery. This vehicle carries more than speed. It carries human ambition. Teams gather around the finished car, proud, silent, satisfied. This moment is not about celebration. It is about respect. Respect for engineering. Respect for craftsmanship. Respect for the idea that perfection is earned, not claimed. As the Bugatti La Voiture Noire stands complete, it represents more than luxury. It represents collaboration between human creativity and machine precision. And now, a question for you. Backhand index pointing right, if perfection had a color, would it be white? If this journey inspired you, if you felt the power of engineering and art combined, backhand index pointing right, like this video. Backhand index pointing right, subscribe to the channel. Backhand index pointing right, share it with those who appreciate true craftsmanship.